Welcome back to another video on Shibaswap, making money, investing, real estate, all types of money discussions with me, Nick Durso. No, I'm just messing around. All right, so guys, today I am going to show you what dollar cost averaging and how to dollar cost average your Shiba tokens in Shibaswap, Bone tokens. Now, look, if you're new to investing, or you're not too familiar with it, you're getting used to crypto and stuff like this. Look, the thing is that patience is key. I find it I see it so often that how many people don't know how to invest. Okay, and it's not because they don't take the time to learn, but they jump on the train and they jump on it when it becomes popular. All right, you can't just buy stocks or crypto or whatever because you heard about it, right? like like when Elon tweets about Dogecoin, everybody jumps on it, and then what happens is that you end up holding a bag, right? You hold a bag, and when the stock goes down or the crypto goes down, you end up like thinking that you're losing a ton of money, right? So the best strategy, and I'm going to walk you through a couple of things to do this, is to just buy over time. Okay, this will average your price out so that when you buy it at the high, you also were buying it at the low. Now, why is this important? There's different types of people that are trading, right? You can have, well, trading or investing. For me, I'm an investor. I do very minimal day trades. I might buy call options and stuff like that. To be honest, I don't know if you can do that with crypto, but the thing is that you want to, so there's different people, right? You can be an investor or you can be a trader. You can be a scalper. You could do, there's all kinds of different things. That would be for a different video, but my strategy is literally dollar cost average. I'm 32 years old. I have been doing this since I was 12 years old. My dad taught me how to do it. I talk about it in my book. I'll put a link in the description below. But let's get into how to dollar cost average with your Shiba Inu coins, your Bone coins, your Leash coins, or whatever. All right. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to keep this very simple and very short. Um, let me go to, I'm going to show you I'm going to show you my Instagram. I made a post. This is from personal finance from a while ago. But people tend to think that investing is the big, difficult thing you have to know and have to do. Only smart people can invest, and it's a huge gamble. Let me explain to you the best way to approach the markets and how you can take advantage of something called dollar cost averaging when it comes to your Shiba Inu tokens and your crypto. All right. So, dollar cost averaging, this is just a fancy term used for simply investing a fixed amount of money into the crypto, right, into your Shiba Inu coins on a constant basis. And I'm going to show you an example of this with some stocks. It's from Personal Finance. It's an Instagram account. You might follow it, but this is a story of three friends who saved $200 per month and invested in the S&P 500 index fund. Okay, this goes for crypto, it goes for stocks, whatever. Tiffany, Brittany, Sarah each saved and invested over the last 40 years from 1979 to 2019, but they had different strategies. Okay, so here are the major market crashes. Tiffany and Brittany knew the market could be volatile and planned to avoid the crashes. So Black Tuesday, this was like 1989, maybe, the Kuwait War, the dot-com crash in 2003, the financial crisis in 2008. So these are big dips right here, 56%, 49%, 33%, 20%, right? Then Tiffany's terrible timing. Tiffany has terrible timing. And this is what I was talking about just a minute ago, is to, like, when you jump in on the train because someone tweeted about it. I'm using Dogecoin as an example because that's been really big. But Tiffany saved $200 per month in a savings account, earning 3% interest, waiting for the perfect times to invest. But it turns out that she had the world's worst timing. She dumped all her savings into the market on the day before the four biggest market crashes. But she never sold it, okay? Even with the terrible timing, thanks to her buy and hold strategy, Tiffany's $96,000 turned into $663,000, right? That's Tiffany. Brittany buys at the bottom. She had the best timing. She put $200 a month in a savings account, earning 3% interest, waiting for the perfect times to buy. It turns out she had the world's best timing. She bought the day the market was at the very lowest after each of the 4 crashes. Her perfect timing earned her 956,000. So she's up like 300 grand more because she timed it perfectly. Now, when you do slow and steady dollar cost averaging, Sarah didn't have much interest in watching the market or trading. In fact, she did one thing. On the day she opened her account in 1979, she put $200 a month auto invest into an index fund and never looked at her account again. She earned 1.3 million. So she literally just bought like over time, not even looking at it. So Tiffany had terrible timing, Brittany had perfect timing, Sarah had steady timing. All right. So this is called dollar cost averaging. It's fairly simple to do over time and make money. And over time, you make money and lose money. The long term gain has repeated itself time and time again. Even during market crashes, the market will come back. So I'm going to show you a picture right here. So um, right here, like this is just I just typed in dollar cost average. So say these black dots are when you purchased, right? So you bought at the low, you bought at the medium, then it spiked up, you bought at all-time highs. Most people, get super excited and they buy right here because they have friends that tell them, hey, yo, Bitcoin or Dogecoin, this is going to be huge, it's going to go up, right? It goes up and then all of a sudden it comes down. But if you continuously buy, like let's just say this is 12 months, this is, however many dots here, this is like a course of a year. So you bought 200 here, 200 here, 200 here, 200 here, 200, 200, 200, 200, right? And you didn't worry about it. This right here, this low dot right here and this high dot will average it out. So now you have an average price over time, and it doesn't matter if it's high or low. So with with Dogecoin, people were doing that, right? People were, well, I was doing that. I was buying Dogecoin like 3 or 4 years ago at 0.0003. I literally turned like $250 into $23,000. That's what got me into Shiba Inu coin. I took that money and I started buying it here, and I slowly just dollar cost averaged into it. So my suggestion is every week. This is a little bit difficult to set it up for automatic because there's not like an automatic way to do it. You just have to set a calendar reminder or something to where you come in and you swap out you buy Ethereum on a regular basis. So you use your MetaMask or Binance or whatever your wallet is. Use that, purchase Ethereum, and then you can come through here, and no matter what the price is, just continuously buy it over time. So like right now, I could buy 3 million right now with this, right? With the Ethereum that I have in my account. And you might buy it at 63, you might buy it at 52, you might buy it at 52, 63, 75, whatever. And over time, you're just going to keep averaging out. And as this goes up over time, Shiba Inu coin, you'll thank me later. All right. And again, if you haven't watched my other videos, definitely be sure to check them out for maximum returns. I have a couple of videos there. Maybe at the end of this video, something, a screen will pop up and show you my other videos. But this is how you dollar cost average your Shiba Inu tokens and the importance behind it. If you didn't know this, drop me a comment below. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I'll have some more coming out. We're going to start talking about a little bit more crypto stuff. I have some Cardano things that I'm going to talk about, staking those with a buddy of mine. We'll do a live Facebook. But, like, comment, subscribe. I have my book in there. You can follow me on Instagram, blah, 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 whatever. Join my Facebook group. But if you like it, comment, and I'll see you tomorrow.